Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you the March kit. I know that my guest designer for this month, Carmen, already launched her unboxing video, so I will put the link down below, so feel free to click on that video and go ahead and watch that as well. And today I am opening up the package, and of course the items are different because every kit is unique. So let me share with you what's in this kit. As you can see, I have filled her up with some beautiful goodies again. And this set of beautiful envelopes are from these two are made from vintage books. And this one is a coffee dyed envelope, the paper I mean, so that's how it will be in the package. And of course you will get some beautiful goodies, as these are the beautiful appliques, French appliques. These are cotton based, so you can easily use the alcohol markers or any dye type that you would like. This pick up the color very well. So let's open the first one up, and I will push this for a moment aside so I can share this with you. This is the back and this is the front, and what's inside are beautiful trims, and this is a vintage one, this is again a vintage one, and the other underneath there's a beautiful white, like 3 inches wide white lace, and then again just some beautiful small pieces of lace as well. So I won't take them out of the package because you can take a look at Carmen's video to see how this if you unravel all the laces, how they look like. So that's for the first envelope. Then I'll show you the second envelope, which is made out of vintage book paper. This is again also a vintage lace and some twine here. And I just slip this open like so. And then take it out. Here you can see a variety of beautiful flowers, some fabric flowers, but also some beautiful mulberry flowers and a butterfly, a pin here. This is just some beautiful add-ons to your kit. That's for that. And throughout this video I will share some pictures as well of how Carmen created her journal, her passport journal as well, and of course some detailed photos of all the Minte Old Manor papers as well. So let me open up this one. This is again a vintage photo of a vintage paper, and these beautiful hand crocheted pieces are from Patrizia. I'll put a link to her channel as well down below, and please stay tuned because she will she will have also maybe some of these available soon, so stay tuned for that. Then I did decide to add a specialty piece, and this is the beautiful crocheted vintage piece that I found in Belgium on the antique market. So this is a very special piece. You can cut these all up and use them as individual pieces for flower centers or just for flowers. My guest designer Olivia, she made beautiful pieces out of those, so I'll put a link down below as well to her channel, so you can be inspired by all of her fabric makes. So that's for that. then I also created a matchbox for you, and this matchbox uses the old manor paper, as you can see here. Just beautiful. And when you open her up, it has such a beautiful collection of doodads, beads, flower stems, some other flowers, resin pieces, some tassels. Yeah, just a variety of items that you can use for your projects, upcoming projects that you will be creating. And again, if you want to use this kit, this is just a beautiful add-on to this kit. Then I wanted to share with you this beautiful vintage wrapping, and inside I tucked in some die-cutted, this was sort of doilies, and they come in 3 colors. This is silver, this is white, and this is the bronze color, and they all coordinate really well with all the items that you have in this kit. So this is just perfect for that. Then I also added some die cuts. These are from my machine, from my Cricut machine, and I will take them out because they are so beautiful, and they have so many beautiful details. So this is for the first one, as you can see. I'll take just a little bit more to the front. Can you see the beautiful details of the die cut? Such a beautiful. This also reminds me a little bit of the Tilda collection, but I just love this one. It is just perfect for the Old Manor collection as well. So this is the first piece, and these 2 pieces are identical. This one is just a slightly like 2 hairs or bigger than this one, but as you can see as well, they have beautiful pattern. I just love it. Really beautiful design. So that's for that. Then I also included this one, and this is very diverse because you can use it as so on a card or die cut. Cut out all the pieces. So you can get quite a few pieces out of this. So that's for this one. Then I created a sort of a pocket for you, and using some parts from the collection, and a dangle piece here, and some pictures from the photo booth collection by Tim Holtz. So you will get an original piece of that as well. So that's for this one. And then we'll go to the papers, and I'll take them all out. So first I want to share this item, which is a vintage book page filled with stick cards, and they have the beautiful coloring illustration. I just really love these kinds of elements in journals, on maybe just cards, just mixed media projects that you'll be working on. But I just love it. I really love the texture as well of the paper. Put this like so. Then we'll go to the papers. I will show also right now a detailed picture. And this is the back. And this is the other one. And these are so gorgeous, as you can see as well, also on the pictures that I'll be showing you. This is the frame set. Really beautiful textures of the crackles, and yeah, just perfect for for your crafting projects, upcoming projects, fall themes. And this is the back, like so. And this is the front of the paper pack, but as you can see, this is the whole series, and if you turn it around, you have a extra piece, which is the part for you to fussy cut. And the same goes for the 6x6. This is the front and the back, like so. And again, if you're interested, please let me know. And please stay tuned in the upcoming weeks, because I will be hosting a giveaway as well. Let me see how this is. I will be hosting a giveaway as well, and each time I show a video, I will share with you which items are added to the giveaway. The last video that you saw, I showed you the picture and the flowers that were by the company of Wild Orchid Crafts that I bought recently. And today I want to share with you that those collection, like 4 of the collection of hand crochet pieces will be added as well to the giveaway. So you will have a flower pack by Wild Orchid Crafts, and also 4 hand crochet pieces by Patrizia that's added to the collection of the giveaway. So let me start by showing you the filigree piece. I just love this. This is such a beautiful paper, and it also has a sort of a metallic thread going through, but it's printed into the paper itself. So it has a beautiful texture. And let me take out the pieces that are inside. And as you can see, this kit is again jam-packed with yummies for you to craft with, to create with. It's a whole complete package. If you buy this package, you have like enough to create 4 or maybe 5 projects if you want. This is also a set that I created, and this is from the beautiful die cuts. I will show them as well in a picture. And as you can see, these die cuts are, they have beautiful details on them. And these are just perfect. And first of all, I wanted to share with you these 3 postage stamps dies. And this is what Carmen created using these dies. So I hope you're inspired by her creations as well. And she also used the fabric envelopes that I created for her, and I'll be showing you that as well right now. So, and this is the envelope that I created myself as well, and inside it has some tucked in pieces like just snippets and beautiful tickets, a beautiful tag as well. So this will be stocked up with some just small pieces for you to create with. And stacked inside here, I won't take them all out, are just pieces to create rosettes with. And again, a beautiful photo frame piece that was tucked in also in the kit from Carmen. A piece here for your, maybe if you do some daily journaling, that's a perfect piece to add on. These beautiful pieces are, again, if you fold them up, you have a beautiful file folder. You can fold them both sides. A beautiful doily here again from this beautiful paper. Again, on both sides, so double-sided. A tag pocket and a large journaling card, which you can also fold up or maybe die cut yourself. And then last but not least, in the kit, I have a beautiful piece, which is, where you can see the colors on. These are the, just beautiful colors, the oranges. I just love this typography type of illustration. And as you see here, these two can be taken off, and again, just loving the colors of the illustrations. And this is the back as well. So you have a full sheet filled with different, this is a sort of the whole country, and this is a detail of the country which you can use. And again, these two different pieces. So that's for the kit for this time. And remember to check out the video that Carmen has posted as well on her unboxing, and also on her journal passport, or passport journal, I must say. So take a look at her video, and please stay tuned if you want to enter for my giveaway as well. So we'll do a video on that very soon. So I'll talk to you all soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.